Hello student. Today in this video we will study about the gender role in schools. Here you will study how the gender plays a crucial role in schools and in public places. First we will study about the gender role in schools. A school, you all know that the schools are the temples for the temple of learning, and all the children who used to go in these schools, they gain lot of knowledge and develop their various kinds of skills. They learn many social behavior, discipline, team spirit, cooperation, rules, regulations of the schools and classes. Okay, though there are many though the many rules and regulation are the same for the boys and girls, but sometime you will see there are a lot of differences between the some rules and regulation which are made for the boys and girls. Okay, for example, you can see the uniform which are used by the girls and boys. The uniform which is worn by the boys and girls, they are differ. Girls are are told to wear shirts and skirts or salwar or kurtas, where the kurtis or the boys are asked to wear pant and shirt. Okay, this is the first example of discrimination among the boys and girls in schools. Second, the second is that when you see the textbook of your classes, when you were in small classes, you have seen the when there was a chapter about the family, you have seen the mother is shown by cooking inside the kitchen. Okay, when you have studied about the chapter about the family, you have seen that mother is a house worker and father is relaxing. Here you will see there is a lot of discrimination which are also taught in our school. Sometimes we used to see in the school that in many textbook women are shown doing the household chores, while the men are shown reading newspaper or relaxing. Okay, this is also show the discrimination among the boys and girls or man or woman. Okay, next is that there are so many schools where boys are encouraged to take science and technology or participate in different kinds of sports, and girls are encouraged to excel in knitting, sewing or home science. Okay, the girls are suggested to take home science as a subject. This show the discrimination among the boys and girls which we used to see in our schools also. There are so many schools which are run separate for the boys and separate for the girls. This also show the discrimination among the boys and girls. In villages, especially in the villages, girls are used to spend lot of their time for doing the household work. They used to do sweeping, cleaning, washing and cooking food for the family. They used to do all kind of this household work. After that they used to get time for study. Okay, these kind of discrimination are mostly found in the villages. And sometimes what happens, if there is a hardship in the family, the girls education is stopped. घर में कोई अगर प्रॉब्लम आती है तो उस समय क्या किया जाता है, लड़कियों की पढ़ाई को रोक दिया जाता है, और जो लड़के होते हैं उनकी स्टडी को कंटिन्यू नहीं रखा जाता है. ओके, तो दिस काइंड ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन यू कैन सी इन योर family or in your school also. What is the gender role in public places? For centuries, you know that the women are viewed as an item or any object, and this belief influenced the attitude of the people towards the woman. A serious feature of these public places that it is increasing number of incident and number of violence against the woman and number of crime against the woman. Today we see there are so many crimes that is happening because of because there is a mentality that women are object and they can use it any time. Okay, हमारे समाज में कैसी सोच है कि औरतों को हज़ारों सालों से एक वस्तु के रूप में देखा गया है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में देखा गया, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू विल सी दे आर देर आर सो मैनी इन वायलेंस against the woman taking place in these days, and it older days also it was happen. So we have to change our this view, to look the woman as a item or any object. The woman is not a object. Woman is subjected to acts of she used to um, she is subjected by the act of the teasing, molestation in public places, and sometimes it she used to face so many problems in their offices. The women are sexually harassed in their workplaces. Today, you will see there are so many crimes which are done against the women because they are not able to complain it. So, it is the right of women, if there is any kind of sexual harassment or molestation, they or eve teasing, that they should use to complain to the authority which are very near to them. Now the gender equality. All the facts that show the role of the gender in the creating unequal and hierarchical relation in society. You will see after reading all the topics, you will see there is a big difference between the rights of man and woman in our society. Okay, although the gender inequality are the still prevalent in our society, and our government is trying to empower the women. They are trying to give so many opportunities to women that they should also come forward, and they should walk by head held high in the all life way of the life. आज हमारी सरकार जो है औरतों के लिए बहुत सारे स्टेप्स उठा रही है. दे हैव ऑलरेडी मेड 30% सीट रिजर्व फॉर द वुमेन. औरतों के लिए बहुत सारी 30% से ज़्यादा सीट्स रिजर्व कर दी गई है इनमें पंचायत इलेक्शन. इन दिस वे आवर गवर्नमेंट आर टेकिंग लॉट्स ऑफ स्टेप टू एम्पावर द वुमेन. In next chapter, we will study about what are the economic aspects of the gender role. This chapter is over. Today, I will send you the short answer of this chapter. Thank you.